Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjas liang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Kajela wakmi ekatnat transport ubas ngab halang dahar haka apsan trek risa orja apsaw ula pentep ka Sorkar jela kadang up ya ka jing Ktien na ka Sorkar Pdeng bania chakmat na ka benta ban thiet chaka shushu ban Pynheh ya ka Shillong airport ka badan hakšnong umroi riboy district haka jing ekran bagila pathai kubor bas ngab halang dahar lo ong bagi bor penia jong ka airport kila pen pa baladan kam chaka shushu sakumba khan rio huduk khat nyau ekar na ka benta ban Pynheh ya ka chaka Pynheh Liengsuiñ Shillong airport bat shushu menteri ula pentep ka Sorkar kan salai ban pensngau ya kani sya menteri ka Sorkar Pdeng ubakmi ya ka civil aviation.
Airport, so the last meeting you are witness also, so we are yet to have a meeting with the civil aviation minister to update him what actually that as per the reports that are submitted by the consultant. So hopefully it will go in the right direction this time. So please wait, we will have to have a meeting, joint meeting with the government of India and the state government. Well, when we get the signal or the green signal from the government of India, then we can go for the land. How much extra land is required? That another additional land, roughly 16-17 acre more or less. Further on way and with the safety area or something it's called. No, that I cannot say because we may have to seek time from the Union Minister. We would like to call him in Shillong if he is agreed on the spot itself. That is our plan from the state government. The consultant has submitted a report that is a feasibility is there, provided there is some exemption is requested from the government to exempt. So that is the reason we need to meet the government of India once more. And if they give the exemption, so I think more or less we have to take a call. Land acquisition also always from the state, and the other infrastructure is from the central government.
But the state
Yeah.
may not have much fun to apply.
No problem, we have fun, why not? We are having a fun, no problem.